Minister Biren distributes over 46 lakh rupees soft loan to 9 selected persons, asks them to develop good relationships with banks. A host of leaders including Governor, Chief Minister and former Chief Minister greeted Manipuri Ningols on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Deputy Chief Minister urges Fisheries Department to preserve and promote indigenous fish. And air and noise pollution levels shoot up in Manipur after Diwali. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangwazam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. After attending to complaints of people on Myanmar Numit, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has handed over soft loans to 9 skilled self-employed persons from different districts through Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited. Nongthombam Biren today handed over the soft loans of 46 lakh and 50,000 rupees to the 9 beneficiaries at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. The beneficiaries include 3 from Imphal West District, 2 from the Imphal East District, and 1 each from Thobal District, Bishnupur District, Ukhrul District, and Technopole District. National awardee in pottery Machingahan Sasa from Longpi Kajui Village, Ukhrul District, and mobile phone mechanic Nomekapam Suvanko, a differently able person from Samuro Mayay Lekai, are among the beneficiaries. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said questions on the purpose of holding Myanmar Numit and Chingiluching Bagi Numit came from different quarters. He said besides the immediate assistance, the government in collaboration with Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited is now able to provide soft loans to skilled persons to earn their livelihood. Biren appreciated the bank for listening to the request of the government to provide loans and also appealed the beneficiaries to pay off the loan in time and develop a good relation with the bank.
Mioi mapan dengan si lupa lak nipu teruk means yang kai gimana dengan si aigi office dah kau na yang tuai Manipur State Cooperative Bank buat yang na thagale makoi na sunai tau gana mapam tu dah miam gini mitu dah lak pa demand lagi ba moi na makut usaha heba khot pa tau jadi ba mayam do madu moi na thira ga ai na salu hai mapam lu sala kana moi na yare hai dana moi gimating pang na mga silpa lak yang kai moi na loan pibi dana adugma masana masabu hingjanabagi thabuk sujaba hogjanabagi adugma encourage tobuse machine miyam gi numit anoba sarkar sina semjabagi amadi single leaders gi numit anoba sarkar sina semjabagi miyam da kana ba pibodo hore haidana miyam da masigi paujel simaga pijari.
Sanasam Kunjarani, a beneficiary from Thobal Sabantong Mayay Lekai in Thobal District, received a loan of 5 lakh rupees for her skilled in ready-made calendaring. Kunjarani received a loan after a team of Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited visited her enterprise, which was not functional earlier due to fund constraint. Speaking to Impact News, Sanasam Kunjarani expressed happiness and assured that she will work harder and also provide employment to people.
Sahi tramitra nga thawan gi sim panbada sumna asyo ai amakasu kaidi ado akhoina nong mata wakap mi phama sumaina miyam gi thambi dabanina salubangam de isa gi thabak sinjabanina ado sigi thambak bajida asoki matik pendana nga si aina nong madi salaga aina penda baji angtang di aina wakat saruraga yabre yengena saluma tamja nga si siemna yabiraktana aigi tawbi baje ubidana ada siakan oke bengi mi thabiraga laktana ai ngasi paisa lak manga phangjari baje ai asoki matik pena hainingai leitana thagali.
Governor Dr. Nasma Heftullah greeted the people on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba festival. In their message, the governor said the festival will herald an era of progress and prosperity in the region and promote unity, integrity and peace coexistence of all communities in the state. She said the festival will also reinforce the fraternal and protective bond that exists between brother and sister. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren greeted the Manipuri Ningols on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. He appealed for people's cooperation in making Manipur a peaceful and progressive state. Taking pride in celebrating Ningol Chakoba festival, he described the festival as one of the unique festivals in the world where parents and brothers shower love and affection on their married daughters and sisters by inviting them over meals and bestowing them with gifts. Biren also disclosed that various projects, including awards for fish farmers, have been taken up to ensure availability of fish during Ningol Chakoba festival.
Fajagraba numitchi sinalakpasida aina Manipur miyam da ina haijaning basi ikoi matam kuina Manipur si tangdu leitadana leire adubu haujikti miyam gi support tagi amadi sorna sanbi bidagi ikoi khara khaidi tangdu leitaba ing tapa hanjalaktana sing tamda leiramba ungkhatna ramba tamgi mpham da leiramba irang ayamba koksale adna masi makhatana lamdam sida Ding chingna khoi amato oina leminana ba sugumba hajakrapa chakobugi lakbasida miyamda ai yaifa paujel pibaga loinana appeal se tawjebani loinana chakobugi phangba yaba potsei khara maroina khoi yamna tongnari ba nga mamangda puthokiba 85000 kg muki sangdu dagi handak su tadana puthokna ba haidana farmer singna incentive kari kari pidana kan honajari aduna thoidongna nga chakisu miyamda awat por leiroi haina miyamda wafam simtangai tamjari.
Former Chief Minister and opposition leader, Congress MLA Okram Ibopi also sent his wishes to the people on the occasion of Thiangi Nini Panba Ningol Chakoba. In his message, the former Chief Minister wished for peace and prosperity in the state.
Sakawdana ariba samin thakminaba sigumba ningon chakoba sina lakpa state Manipur leiba praja section kuding maksingsi ningon ga pibaga nung sinariba sumai tawna leiminariba jati koi leiminariba mayam puna maksingsi amukka hena nung sinana jati amaga leiminariba mayam jingsi nung sinana sana sinana santi waina lakpa wore sunu haidana ai Manipur leiba praja puna makta ya appeal tawjari nupida isan isa leiriba mayam na chathaba crime singsi masi handhananaba koi nungsi graba isan isa singsida chathaba nupi chathaba crime sisu koi amna nungai taba haiba tare masigumba sisu koi masing handhanaba zero da handhana laknanaba koi punamak hotnamina si haidana ningon chakobagi nungai raba sigumba festival sida masigi ai appeal krasi ai which is a PJ.
Speaker Yumnam Khamshan has also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Thiangaigi Nini Panba Ningol Chakoba. In his message, the speaker wished that the festival will strengthen the bond between brothers and sisters and integrity among the people of the state.
Thiangaigi Nini Panba Thangjanumita Manipur Punbagi Oiba Manipuri Singoiba, Ningon Chakoba, Manipur Sinbatuna Pangtu Pasida, Machin Mupagi Lane of Mari, Amadi Toan community Lanava, Machin Upagi Maridu, Masi, Lakiba, Ningon Chakoba Sina, Punabaki Santi Oiba, Nushi Sana Leva, Amadi, Apava Ingba, Ingbaleva, Oesano, and a Paujin Pizzi.
Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Namcha Kipgen has also greeted the women on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. In our message, Namcha wished the festival will promote unity, integrity and peaceful coexistence in the state. Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. The minister wished that the festival will bring peace and harmony in the state with the blessings of the women.
Amasung koi lebak segi lairi makalgi ichi chel napi angam kudumak mahung apa singna degi alaman singna masung ayi tarap tegi mung sarkar tarap tegi hela masung family welfare gi department tarap tegi yai fa pawjel pijari punamag yai fa boysen ho aduga moi board gi lebak sereda ingba tappa yi mara chetpa amaga khana chenadaba imunai mu tanadaba isagi boundary se isana
Works Minister Thongam Bishwazit in his Ningol Chakoba message said Ningol should be given a special place in the society and should not be deprived of their rights. He wished that the festival will bring peace, prosperity and happiness. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaujam Shyamkumar has also wished the people on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. In his message, Shyamkumar hoped that the festival will renew the bond of love and affection among various communities living in the state. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam also greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Ningols, on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. In his message, the minister said the festival strengthened the bond between brothers and sisters and promote peaceful coexistence and harmony. Rajya Sabha MP K. Babananda also greeted the Manipuri women on Ningol Chakoba. In his message, Babananda wished that the festival renews the bond of brothers and sisters. All India Trinamool Congress Manipur Pradesh in a press release also greeted the people, especially the women of Manipur, on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Northeast India Development Party greeted the women of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. The party appealed to people to preserve the age-old tradition alive. Universal Family Organization UFO also greeted the Manipuri Ningols on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba and wished that the festival will ensure peace. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar today urged the Fisheries Department to introduce new methods to preserve the indigenous fish of the state. The Deputy Chief Minister was speaking at the annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2017 held in connection with the Ningol Chakoba Festival at Hatta Kangjebong Palace Compound. He also assured that he will extend all possible help to the department in its efforts. Joy Kumar observed that the taste of the indigenous fish has changed over the years and it is necessary to retain their taste. Joy Kumar also said every year 10,000 metric tons of fish are imported to the state to meet the demand of the people, and the fish farmers need to work harder to prevent import of fish from other states. Fish farmers all from various districts of the state opened 59 stalls were opened at the fair displaying katla, raw, mirgant, common cod, grass cod, silver cod, pingba, kabak and ngaton.
Resource mobilization tawna saina yo koi batang de yamne lei ai khanbada khanbad su adu hai basing ju koi loina hai basing tap tawna hona si fishery department gi budget chi yam ka hai chawbane ti adu soidna koi gi matang gi laiba ari da koi hengana ba adu matang gi da su hengana ba adu loina na state ki di resources is very limited adu yam kana koi pi ba wa gani adu gi mota koi ne togdo di central scheme oina lawraga Kasai fishery department ki budget se software ba tokse tawudu mu mayam na family se thabat tu phasena panthok pa koto adu ni palwa thabat tu on thoga phasena successful hoita ke di there is no dearth of fund.
Smart Security Service Terra celebrated Ningol Chakoba one day in advance at Terra Kaitel today. Many women coming from various parts of the state were presented with gifts at the event celebrating the beautiful bond between brothers and sisters. 17 members of Smart Security Service Terra were also honored in recognition of their dedication to their service at the event. The Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization today organized the 3rd Chingtam Ningol Chakoba Thorum at its office at New Chakon. Speaking at the event, former president of Ichamt and Rajendra stressed the importance of imparting history of different ethnic communities to young students. He also emphasized the need to strengthen the bond among different communities in the state. Gifts were presented to women from different communities at the event.
Mapandagi lapa kwamna yonba bosri phamba khungu kap thaba apandagi lapa mayang mayamadi ngasi maiti ekhoina akoi dharma manabane ai emungda pusala thumali ai emungda pusala chachari adu ai gi sinaw sachu manaba khena da ekoi sigi maratadi ngasi ai magon kanda bi yawi akoi ne phana kana ekoi amatani haiba targasu sabu matanda madi amangane hai post se ngasi ekoi society de lady ba agadi kangu homra mo ai makoi ne ekoi se amangane hai gina makoi se ekoi chaman ba ya possible lady.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news update. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Air and noise pollution levels rose in the state after Diwali as people burst various kinds of firecrackers during the celebration of the festival yesterday. The air pollution level was higher than of last year. The atmospheric particulate matter reached 100 micrograms per cubic meter, the permissible limit given by the revised National Ambient Air Quality (NAAQS) between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. yesterday. Speaking to media person at his office at Lamphel, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore expressed concern that the air pollution levels have been rising day by day. He said the air pollution levels reached the NAAQ as permissible limit after Diwali. Radhakishore also maintained that the people ignored the hazards of the air and noise pollution and burst firecrackers despite the ban imposed by the government. He said the Pollution Control Board will take measures to check air and noise pollution levels in the city in consultation with the state government.
Amot payawdaba nukshitta masi legadabani adubu ngasi Manipur da akoi ahanbada sigi colors da leire anisubada mase matamgi matungina pungsingi matungina si colors da leire pick over haidana kanna bombola makeup thaba matamdu da phangjari bari report se simak chapchana leire koigi nukshit asi sini nuksisu sengtre noise normal guwang bada le abnormal oire aduna masida koina lokhat payaba honorable cm ga tanajaraga akoi makhata ba masida changiba gari sing diesel gari sing kari sing thingna na hai batare kari step logo dobno hai badudi ekoi khanajar ga lokthuk sege athu matam dal lokhatragadi ekoi imphal manung da leriba maru hoina imphal city dadi sigi conditions ekoi ngarang gi report sida phangjare haidana mayam da lokthuk sere.
JSC formed against the death of Naurem Ongbi Primela Devi at Bishnupur District Hospital on October 5 held a sit-in at Tabul Bazar today. The family has not claimed the body yet. The JSC, which alleged that the death occurred due to negligence by the doctor, said the government has failed to take action against the responsible doctor. Convener of the JSC, T.H. Bira, warned of closing down all government establishments in Bishnupur District if the government does not meet the demands of the JSC by October 22. Director of the University and Higher Education in a press release notified that all bona fide students of Manipur who have taken admission in various recognized higher educational institutions in India for pursuing post-matric higher professional courses may apply for fresh and renewed NEC scholarship for the academic session 2017-18 online with effect from November 1 to December 31st on the website www.highereducationmanipur.gov.in. All India Student Federation Manipur state urged its authorities concerned not to arrest and torture students without reason. Speaking at a reception held at the Federation office at Irawat Bhavan after the release of Secretary of the Federation K.H. Rameshwar, who was arrested by Imphal West Commando on October 14, Vice President of the student body Laurembam Vivekar alleged that K.H. Rameshwar was arrested by the commandos without any reason.
October Tarik Taramari, Thangjunumit, Haribanumit Asida, All India Student Federation Manipur Council Gi, State Ki Secretary Hopu Biriba, Contract from Rameshwar Singabu, Karigumba, Maramamata Hiramdana, Maram Sada Monda, Imphal West Ki Commandona, Pavagi Tong, the Shani Yaring Noina, Hariba Todong, Tawong Todong Asumba, Matung the Amuhana Tok and the Nava, yes, Manipur Council in my case.
JCILPS Students Wing has indefinitely shut down the puzzled restaurant at Singzamai Chingamathak for organizing music show in an objectionable manner in connection with Diwali. The incident took place around 9 last night after JCILPS Student Wing was informed by the residents of the area. The team of JCILPS Student Wing found girls and boys allegedly consuming liquor and dancing in an appropriate manner. A team of the Imphal West Police, including officers, arrived at the spot after the student wing informed them. Scuffle amongst almost broke out as locals stormed the restaurant. However, the police personnel controlled the situation. Later, the police took away the people in their van to avoid any untoward incident. A person who went to the music show said they were allowed to enter to the concert, the 80s White Unplugged Autumn, after purchasing a ticket of 200 rupees. Speaking to media person, convener of JCILPS Student Wing, Manjit Sarangtham said they strongly condemn such act and appeal to the people to help stop holding such events.
Yamno maring marangba mapangi kui westernization gi badugumba culture no khak tawrkanda agi sagi horpum identity mas khangdaba mom khakta ngasi kui sana unison bagala na kui mong marin ta da mongda kui jagoi sei tawrkanda kui leramba siam daibak chibam khangna na student wing gi maketi gi logjai haiba bhumasida nubin pa kyam khangna kui ton ton ba mitup nan manipuri kyam khak suga khanda amale medu mam khara mayam gi kano to budagi thoki ba khotki mayam khok su sari na sakanda leramba hotel manungda mai musala ga tawdi hendo kan da mapan da koi gi jaga sing da yengi do mong da jogi sai sa ba yorok pudagi lekai miam sing da pong pira pudagi ai tare hari ba sigi puzzle koi hotel si recha ja
Meanwhile, organizers of the 80s Vibe clarified that there is no secret room in puzzled restaurant Singjamai Chingamata. They made the clarification regarding the incident which occurred at the restaurant on the night of Diwali. They also said that they have come to an understanding with the members of JCIMPS at the latest office and that they will not repeat the same. Joint Students Coordinating Committee, the election monitoring cell of College Student Union election has announced that the election code of conduct will be effective from October 22. Speaking to the media person at Manipuri Student Federation MSF office, Kaisamthong Top Leirak, convener of monitoring cell of the college's Students Union election 2017-18, MSU MSF KSA Suk Dollar Loitongbot appealed to students to not canvass for votes when the election code of conduct has been implemented. He warned the students against organizing feast and distribution of money. Dollar appealed to students, security forces, and the people to help conduct the election peacefully. Dollar also warned that the monitoring cell will take action against students or candidates if they are found canvassing for votes.
JSCC की मखादा monitoring cell of the college student union election 2017-18 asi khoi seme the 30 the tawgadaba college election asi da niyom chumna free and fair the khoi election asi pangthok pangam na bagi dong tani khoi gi candidate sing gi mama pa sing na su candidate sing da ehan ba paisa thada bidaba aduga yamna khoi gi shanti oina free and fair da khoi gi election asi pangthok pa ngamna ba hona ba da khoi gi guardian sing aduga parents sing na su mateng pang bi wana monitoring sing gi magi di apin tokjari.
Manipur Government Services Federation in a press release said the officers of Manipur Secretariat are also likely to join the mass casual leave by the employees of the state government on October 25 in protest against the non-implementation of the 7th Pay Commission. Kangleipak Academy of Ritual and Narrative Arts held a convocation for the 7th batch students at Lining Sanamahi complex in the first Manipur Rifles compound today. The students were presented with Sanamahi lining fee and cash awards were also given to the toppers. Members of the academy and many Sanamahi devotees attended the convocation. Ward Development Committee of Nambol Municipal Council to Ward number 10 distributed all-age pension to 22 elderly persons at Nambol Sabal Lekai Community Hall today. President of the committee, as Chandrakanta said, the department concerned will be consulted to make cards for elderly persons who are entitled to the pension as soon as possible. GST registration of LCOs of the Impact TV will be done at the office of the Impact TV on October 23. The management has asked all the LCOs to bring all the necessary documents for GST registration. Now the sports news. Family members and relatives including Kwangkhem MLA K. Megachandra received Sancho gold medalist Kaisamt Arunpama from Yaripok Top Chintha on her arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Arunpama bagged gold medal in Sancho event at the 26th Senior Women Wushu Championship organized by Assam Rifles under the aegis of the Wushu Association of India and Northeastern Council at Shillong from October 10 to 16. Arunpama also won a bronze in Sancho event at the 14th Wushu Championship organized by the International Wushu Federation at Kazan in Rostov in Russia from September 26 to October 3. She has so far won a gold, a silver, 2 bronze at the international events and several medals at national events. She is also one of the 14 players selected to participate in the 23rd Winter Olympics at South Korea in February next year and is undergoing training for the same. All Manipur Atiya Patiya Association, Amapa, in a press release, said the selection trial of Atiya Patiya players to represent Manipur at the 30th Boys and Girls Junior Atiya Patiya National Championship to be held at Kanchipuram, Chennai from November 24 to 26 will be held on October 25 at 7 a.m. at Lemopopum Association Ground. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association in a press release said the 33rd N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament 2017 has been postponed and will be begun from October 25th due to unavoidable circumstances. Chingjamei Kendra A. Kangkut will meet Nambol Kendra Kangkut in the final of the 6th Mangshatabunt Iboyaima and Punyabati Manmurundrik Camp Knockout Kang Tournament. In the second semi-final match of the 50 to 60 years Kendra Wise Kang tournament played today at Chingjamei Chingamathak, Namirapum Mandap Camp Community Hall, Nambol Kendra Kangkut Trash, Kundrapum Kendra Kangkut 39th. 11 Kangkuts are taking part in the Kang tournament organized by the Chingjamei Kang Association. The final match of the tournament will be played on the 22nd of this month. FIFA Under-17 World Cup quarterfinals have been set up. On Saturday, Mali will face Ghana in Guwahati at 5 p.m. and the USA will meet England in Goa at 8 p.m. Spain will take on Iran in Kochi at 5 p.m. while Germany will take on Brazil in Kolkata at 8 p.m. on Sunday. The last two rounds of 16 matches played yesterday, Brazil outplayed Honduras 3-0 at Kochi and Ghana outwitted debutants Niger 2-0 at Navi Mumbai. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren distributes over 46 lakh rupees soft loan to 9 selected persons, asks them to develop good relationship with banks. A host of leaders including Governor, Chief Minister and former Chief Minister greet Manipuri Ningols on the occasion of Ningol Jakoba. Deputy Chief Minister urges Fisheries Department to preserve and promote indigenous fish. And air and noise pollution levels shoot up in Manipur after Diwali.